Hey, welcome back, my dear friend. This is Subhas here, and now in this lesson, we are going to find some product info before writing our article. Because if you're going to write review article, then you must know about what is the product and about the product and what is benefit, pros and cons, and all OTO and bonuses. So every information you don't need to write yourself. Every information you will get done for you in their JB page and product sales page and a product doc file. Okay, also you will contact to vendor and they will provide you all information. So I have going to select product. Okay, so first of all you need to visit mansai.com and find what product you want to promote. So a lot of software courses, PLR product videos and audios product going live. So if you want to promote this like Speechlio, this is basically based on creating text to speech product. Okay, and this is Philips. It is just affiliate marketing course. And Artfulin, it is Philippi. It is based on affiliate marketing training and CPA marketing training. Okay, and you can see it is going live JBZoo. So mostly you always find good vendor who provide good sales copy and everything and bonuses and a lot of things. Okay, and you can see this is a WP toolkit. So it is going in 7th November, going some product live, and 8th November. So I highly recommend you like if any software courses going live after 2 day later, then you need to write article before 2 day ago. Okay, because Google take a time for ranking your article. So 1 or 2 day ago, once you write your article, then your ranking chance to 100%. And once product going live and someone search, then they will get your article and you will get free traffic. Okay, so I'm just going to write our article on this product called Flippy. I know this person, Art Flair and Pallab Ghosal and Ram Rawat. He's my friend, and I already promoting those product, them product, and he also promoting my all launches. Okay, so just a second. So what you need to collect, I already explained about some what is product and how product does, member area, and some you can see Flippy. Just a minute, Flippy just open and invitation. It means joint venture page, JB page. So you can see this is headline recommended this system to your subscriber how to make $80 to $100 payout for a single copy and paste 4 minute service. Okay, so this is, you can see some earning proof, what is the product image, and you can see 5 minute copy paste system, high converting funnel. So you need to have a funnel. Okay, you just grab an image, and we are engineering to make. So you can see upgrade image, upgrade 2, upgrade 3. So very good, you don't need to write yourself anything, you will get complete done for you. Okay, so want to know about a product, you need to just click the sales page. Also you can see I have get there doc file. So you need to be have doc file where you will get all review access detail and all product info, OTO1, OTO2 and everything. Okay, and early bird you will get also discount and one click bonus page generator. And if you want to generate your bonus page, just click on here and generate your bonus page. Email sweep, also you will generate same exclusive bonus, click on here. Okay, and if you want to contact him, you just simply contact him and you can get chance to win your contest. Just a second. And you need to be grab your affiliate link first of all. And here is demo video, sales video, preview videos, sales preview video, and just take 100% front end. Oh, I need to see how this software work. Okay, so this is my name and this is my affiliate link. So copy, I need to copy affiliate link and paste on here, and we need to generate a bonuses. Exclusive bonus for friend and subscriber to Subhas Yadav, and you can see all flippy about the product phrase into this. It is just another product you don't need. He does not, he did not just update. And here you can see on this is sales page. Okay, so you will get some benefit about the product and what is the product and how the product work, how does this work. Okay, so you will get every details on here, so you don't need to worry about anything how does work. Simple 3 step. So all information you need to take from here, and you can grab all information to your blog. Okay, so first you need to have some JB page. Second, information you need to have sales page, sales preview page, and third, you need to have a document file, and fourth, you must you if you have this is a member area, product member area. If you have that is good. Okay, you can see all info available on here. So next lesson. So next lesson, we are going to explain about. We are going to create our first article on our review website, where I have where we will cover everything about benefit, upsell, OTO, and call to action button, and urgency button, and your affiliate link, and our bonuses, and everything we have put on there. Okay. So I hope you understand how you can get raw materials to any product. You should go to mansai.com and find raw material, and you can collect your data on your one document file. After then, you can start writing your article. So next lesson, we are going to write our article. So I hope you understand, and I will meet you another lesson. Thank you.